Good morning. It's Angel from Angel's Car Reviews. Today, I am back with another car review. This morning, I present you a full in-depth tour and walk around of the 2018 Toyota Corolla. And this could be a full in-depth tour of the Corolla. I'm going to start the engine, show it off, go through some details, and I will share many features about the inside and the outside of the car. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead, start it up, start the engine, and let it run. Here goes the key. The color of the exterior is white pearl. With black leather, I think black cloth or leather. I think this is a two-tone interior. Manual driver seat adjustments. Now the Corolla is like similar to the Camry a little bit. Let's hit the key. And we'll start the engine. Nice. Let me close this door. It's got a 3-spoke rudder-left steering wheel. You have a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your e-brake is down here. Yeah, that's your e-brake. You do have your leather-wrapped e-brake. And let's go and turn on the headlights. Does have automatic lights and the hazards right here. Unlock the doors. Automatic driver's side window. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? Here's the Michelin tires. They are all-wheel wheels. You feel cap release. Here's the exhaust. It's a Toyota Corolla SE. You do have your power windows, power locks, lock window switch. Your power mirrors are located in the center. Over here, you have your tachometer, your speedometer, your fuel gauge, and your temperature. It's got 20,306 miles. And the outside temperature is 67 degrees. Coming to the center stack, you do have your AM, FM radio with CD player, and you also do have satellite radio as well. Digital clock. Similar to use, automatic climate control, fan speed, temperature, different zones, auto recycling, front defrost, rear defrost, AC, auto recycling. You can also go to seek track. Audio, you can go to car as well. This will give you a lot of information on the car. And you also do have your setup as well. Traction control off button, sport mode, cup holders. Storage, center console. It's made of leather, as you can see. You do have your turn signals. Right to the steering wheel, you do have your voice command. You also do have your volume controls on the steering wheel, Bluetooth telephone controls, and this will change your menu selection. And also don't forget, you do have your pedal shifters on the back of the steering wheel. I didn't know that. You have your cruise control. I think this is for the downhill assist. Trip info. Nice. What a great car. Illumination lighting. No sunroof, but that's available on the Corolla. Not bad. And let's go and shut down the Corolla. Now let's check out the back seat. Here's the back seat, but I'm not gonna show anything of that here. Alright, now let's open the trunk and see how it does. Nice. I think this is to windows. Manual passenger seat. Good size glove box. Alright, now we come to the conclusion. Hope you guys enjoyed this in-depth look of the 2018 Toyota Corolla SE. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you next time. Take care and have a great day.